I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about how to make a menu in C# console application. So about this code that I already written, so to save some time, so at here I'm using char tab variable, the name is ch, and here or using set cursor position. So at here if you take the cursor on set cursor position method, so at here this accept two parameter, first is left and second is top. So at here given the size on left side 15 and right size 11, and here at that position that will display one dot read, and here set cursor position, so at here left 15 and right 12, and that size that will print at here 2 dot blue, and here like this 15, 13 and 14. So suppose if user is print or click on place at here 1, so that will display something like you click on rate and there is a list of menu at here, first for rate, second blue, third green, fourth or third cyan, fourth green, 5 yellow, and hereafter I use set cursor position. So at here this is also, so set the position of cursor, it is used to, and here on the left side the value 13 and right the top, that is the top the at here 16 values, and after console dot please enter your choice. So here, so whatever I enter, so that accept by ch. So at here using parse method to convert at here a string values into character. So suppose if I enter at here 1, so 1 by default it's accept at here a string format. After applying char dot parse, so this is now at here this is converted into char in single quote. So if you give at and here I'm using the switch statement and switch case. So at here if I enter the switch case value 1, so that go inside, so that try to match, so at here 1 match with 1. So at here background color, uh, so at here console dot red, so red value is at here, this is the color. So at here console color, so if you press at here console, so console color is the cross console. So do one thing, take the cursor at this point, then you will know about the console class. So a specify constant that define foreground and background colors for the console. So this is used to define the foreground and background. So going to make the background on red. So add your console background color that change to red, and here after foreground that change to black, and here that will display our console.written and red and black. So let's execute. So see at here our menu, it's a displaying first is red, 2 blue, third cyan, fourth green, 5 yellow. So I'm going to press 1. So please enter your choice from the above. Now here it's a displaying I'm red and black. So at here I'm red and black, it's the display. So at here our background color, this is the red, and foreground color that is the black. And here after break statement comes, so when break statement comes, then that active that out from the switch. And here after let's go up. So see at here this is the position that 1 dot rate it's a display. So at here the cursor position of 15 left and height or rate height 11, and here set for blue, this is the cursor position 15 12, and for 7 15 13 15 14 for green and 15 15 for yellow, and this is the set cursor position at here. So here please enter your choice. So this is the set cursor position on 13 and here 16. Now here after, So next time if you enter at here the value is 2. So ch value at here 2, I just enter 2. So to enter, so that going to convert into character. 2 is the string that accept the value to a string format after applying. So this is now convert into character and that is turned to ch. So this time that two values 2 equal to 1. So this condition is not 2. So that go to try to match with this. So at here ch value is 2 and here also 2. So 2 condition is 2. So it's match. Then here that change the background color with blue and foreground color with red, and this is the text that will display. So that's the execute and here place 2. So at here see the background color that is blue and here the foreground color it's a displaying red. So this is the simplest menu program by using console application at here. So like this, if you press 3, so this will display I'm green and here background color cyan and foreground color black. And hereafter if you enter something like let's execute, if you enter the values not among not between 1 to 5, so this will display at here invalid char. So this is the way we can create simplest menu program, and this is the all code. So see at here this is the code. So at here I have taken cat variable ch, and this will display into the output screen here. According to position that will display into the output screen, and this is used to accept the char variable values and here using the switch statement. So I make 3-4 videos related to switch statement. So please watch my previous video if you have any doubt related to switch statement here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.